Good morning. Here's my current project. As everybody knows, I'm messing around with a tablet to use as a plotter. Running Navionics. Here's the Navionics. This is the ship locator for barge traffic and tug traffic. And then I have a forward sonar depth finder that I'm messing with today. And I'm pretty much probably going to run it like this when I'm traveling, just to make sure I'm not going to run aground. This is the new technology, and that's the old technology. That's 32 feet in the back, and that is way too far back for a shallow drafter to be knowing what's going on with the boat. So my other option is that this can do a split screen three-way, and then it has an option for a pop-up. If I'm coming in late, I can always pull the pop-up up for the night vision, which would be mounting into a box up top or something. Anyway, that's what I'm working on today. There you go.